How to trade FS in 2016, dollar yen currency pair, part 1. How to trade FS in 2016, dollar yen currency pair, part 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. The title of the video is how to trade FS in 2016 dollar yen a currency pair, part 1. All right. For traders that are very new to us, the FS stand for foreign exchange. All right. So, as I explained to traders last year, okay, professional Forex traders, professional FS traders will trade around key levels, will buy or sell on or near a very, very important key level. All right. We recommend to traders to do exactly the same thing. If a hedge fund or a big financial institution is about to buy or sell, that financial institution will not just go and buy at any price because a technical indicator has given a buy or sell signal. They will select, okay, the price at which they want to buy. So they may say a buy, okay, below X price, okay, sell above X price, buy at a specific price. Okay, they will also use market orders. They will also use what we call limit orders to enter the trade instead of the market orders. All right. So for ordinary traders, it's very important to start adopting the mindset, okay, of the professional traders. Throughout 2016, there is a very, very important key levels that currency market traders will be watching if they are trading the dollar yen currency pair. The most influential key levels throughout 2016 for the dollar yen forex trading is at 12069. 12069. I want you to note it down. We will give priority to sell signal only. All right, we will give priority to sell signal below that level 12069. If the price is going down, we will give priority to sell signal up to the point that the price reaches the level of 11585. So for the dollar yen trading throughout 2016, priority to bear signal below 12069 up to the point where the price reaches the level of 11585. On the other hand, we will give priority to bullish signal above the level of 12069, and we will stay bullish above that level until the price reaches the level of 12585. So priority to bearish signal below 12069 and priority to bullish signal above 12069. But if the price going up, we must watch the resistance at 12585. If the price going down, we must pay attention to the support at 11585. Now, you will wonder where I get those key levels from. The level of 12069 is not, repeat, is not the exact median line for 2015, but it's approximately equal to the median line of 2015. I prefer not to use the exact median line for 2015. I always try to use the nearest number to the exact level. Okay, so the 12069 is quite close. It's almost equal to the median line of 2015. It's the most important key levels that we must watch throughout 2016 if we are trading the dollar yen. Okay, all right. The next key level, 11585, is the low of 2015, okay, 11585. The level of 12585 is the high of 2015. You will notice throughout 2015, Okay, 16. Professional will make decisions around those key levels. So you want to know exactly where are those key levels. Okay, so we can make excellent decisions. I want to clarify something very important here. The high probability trading setup will usually take place on or near a high, the most influential key levels. All right. So for trading purposes, day trading, swing trading purposes, we are looking fast. We are spending more time looking for what high probability trade setup, and then we will wait for the signal, and then we will go to another time frame to enter the trade. In every case, we will use a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method. And again, we'll also combine the technical analysis and the fundamental. One cannot trade the Forex market or the FS market without paying attention to economy news at forexfactory.com. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, okay? All right? So these are the first 3 key levels that we must watch. There are other 2 key levels that I want traders to note down. So my recommendation to traders is to have a notebook. So you may have a notebook, all right? All right, a small shop. You can have a notebook here. You say $yen 2016, 5 key level, okay? So I'll give you 3 key levels so far. 11585, 12069, or 12585. Or you have it on your computer. You are trading this currency pair, whether you are day trading, swing trading, position trading. You want to know where we are heading to. Right now, what is happening, the price is heading down from the level of 12069 towards the level of 11585. If it reaches the level of 11585, we will wait for the price to dip below that level and to find a resistance, break below, retest, turn around below 11585. And if it find a resistance below 11585, we will continue to sell. So first step, prior to bearish signal below 12069 up to 11585. If the 11585, which is a support level right now, is converted, okay, into a resistance level, we will give priority to sell signal below 11585 until the price reaches the level of 11133, 111, 11133, the pink line here. So you may wonder, what is this pink line here? The level of 11133 is the median line. Not you understand what I said before? I don't use the exact median line. I always use the number that is quite close to the median line. So the 11133 is almost equal to the median line of 2014. Here it is, the pink line here. The price, if the 11585 has changed into a resistance, we will give priority to sell signal until we reach the median line of 2014. If the level of 11133 has also changed into a resistance, we will give priority to sell signal below the 11133 until we reach the level of 10515. The level of 10515 is the opening price of 2014. So in total, we have 5 key levels, but the most influential key level is the median line of 2015. That level is the orange line here, 12069. We'll also pay attention to the low of 2015, 11585, and the high of 2015, 12585. If the bearish momentum becomes strong and the level of 11585 is converted into a resistance level, we will give priority to bear signal below that level until we reach the median line of 2014 at 11133. If the median line of 2014 has changed into resistance, we will give priority to bear signal below 11133 until we reach the opening price of 2014 at 10515. First key level 109, the first key level 12069, second key level 11585, third key level 12585, fourth key level 11133, and the fifth key level 10515. I want to show you something very fast on a daily chart. If we go to the daily chart, remember, the price structure will determine, okay, our trading strategy. Or, in another word, I would say, the price structure commands the trading strategy. So, if we see a rising channel, that rising channel will determine the best, the most appropriate trading strategy that we must adopt. All right? If we see a bearish channel, we will adopt, okay, the appropriate, that will determine the trading strategy that we must adopt. If we see a consolidation, we see a triangle, all right, that will determine our trading strategy. That's what I meant by, okay, the price structure will determine, okay, the trading strategy. So sometimes trader will use the same trading strategy for various different type of price structure, and it doesn't work. So we will check first the price structure, and we will apply the appropriate trading strategy. Okay? So on a daily chart, what do we see? On a daily chart, we can see that the price is oscillating around the level of 12069. Now the price has touched, okay, since 2000. You see now? 2016, the price touched the low of 2015, 11585, and is heading up towards the level of 12069. Now, some traders may pay attention also to the median line between the two lines. Or I don't want to draw them. You may also pay attention to the median line here, somewhere around 12366. Another one here in a zone of 11845. There are median line between the green and the orange line, median line between the orange and the red line. Okay, pay attention. So this is what's going on now. The price is oscillating around the orange line, and it's going from the low going towards the median line. It makes sense? There is another thing I want to show you very fast. So this is the first part of this video that we call How to Trade FS in 2016, dollar-yen currency pair, part 1. In February 2016, I will be recording the second part of this video when I will share with traders the short-term equilibrium price level and the long-term equilibrium price level that traders must watch throughout 2016. I will be recording another video probably in April or in June, which will be the third part of this video. We will be talking about the 6th critical price level for the dollar-yen. So you may wonder, Joe, why do I need to know all those key levels? Because if you do not know those key levels, you are trading blindly. So you go on your 5-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame, and you are just placing a trade doing your own thing. Or you see a double top here, double bottom here, an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern here, and you are just buying and selling anywhere, anyhow, and the professional will kick you out because they will not buy together with you if you are not buying around key levels. If you see a trading setup, a high probability trade setup, you want to make sure those high probability trading setup are happening on the edge of a key support or resistance or trend line. So on a daily chart, we have a trend line here that is in place. You see the blue line, how I draw it here, this point here, and this point allow me to draw that line. So though we are saying to traders, if it's going up towards the median line, watch out for this trend line here, the blue trend line here. Draw it on your daily chart. Very, very important. But the current price structure is what? A balanced market around the level of 12069. The price structure will determine our trading strategy. Don't forget to acknowledge the median line between the two lines, okay, so you may make excellent decision. So especially here you have the trend line here. If you see horizontal support or resistance crossing a trend line, it's a hot spot trading zone. So we have a hot spot trading zone because the median line between the orange and the red has crossed a very important trend line on the daily chart. So watch out these zones. Okay, very, very important. It makes sense? It's also powerful. And once again, don't overtrade throughout 2016. Concentrate only on a high probability trade setup. Say to yourself, I hate to lose. I don't want to lose throughout 2016. I will only focus on a high probability trade setup. If a trade happens to be a losing trade, review the trade, go back to the blackboard, work on it. Don't just place trade because you are addicted to trading or you are excited about trading. It just doesn't make any sense, okay? Don't lose money, make money, all right? Make money, make loads of money, all right? Make loads of money, okay? All right, now let's go now. As I show you here, this is the price structure on the daily chart. Going to go quickly to the weekly chart. On a weekly chart, I want to show you a trend line, this trend line here. Okay, so we see that the price structure, both on a daily or both on a weekly and monthly chart, we have this rising channel, has been here for years now. Okay, all right. The price is out of the rising channel. So what usually take place, as the price out of the rising channel, the market will prefer to retest the edge of this channel on the weekly chart. So be aware, the price structure will determine, you see again, another intersection point between this trend line and the orange line, somewhere in this zone. So this is what? A hot spot trading zone. It's another hot spot trading zone. Whenever you see the intersection point between a trend line and a horizontal support and resistance level, it's a hot spot trading zone. So the price has violated the current price structure both on a weekly and monthly chart. Is heading to retest the edge of it. Sometimes the price will not find a resistance on the edge of it, but the price will go inside the channel, trying to retest the median line of the channel. All right? Are you with me? But on a daily chart, the price is oscillating around what? Okay, the level of 12069. So if you don't know what to do or you get a little bit confused, make your decision on or near those key levels. As I told you, remember also the median line between the two key levels. I don't want to draw them. All right? So make your decision around those key levels, and you are likely to make better decisions. Look for a trading setup around those key levels, and then look for a signal around those key levels, and enter the trade on or near those key levels. Pay attention to the economy news, combine the technical analysis and the fundamentals. This is about how to trade FS in 2016 dollar-yen currency pair, part 1. It makes sense? Now, let's go to the monthly chart. Talking about FS, we are talking about the foreign exchange, currency pair, currency trading, all right? Here we are comparing the US dollar to the Japanese yen. Now, the Federal Reserve, okay, has started putting up interest rate. In normal condition, my friend, the market will expect the dollar-yen to go up because the Federal Reserve is expected to put up interest rate. But sometime, my friend, the market will be ahead of the Federal Reserve, which means, as we have seen last year, the dollar-yen was going up when the Federal Reserve did not put up interest rate. Now the Federal Reserve start putting up interest rate. What will happen? In my view, as I said before, this is the most distorted currency pair. There is something here I want to show you before we go. We see a chart pattern here, which we call ABCD chart pattern. Go to www.stochasticmarket.com, click on ABCD chart pattern, and also ABCD chart pattern extensions. We see an ABCD chart pattern here. If you compare the distance from here, from this, which we call CD, okay, I don't want to move lines here, so I'm very careful now. If you compare this distance to this one here, to AB, all right, we'll notice that the distance CD is shorter than the distance AB. It's bearish. It's bearish. It's a little bit bearish until we go above the level of 12585. That's why we are seeing a consolidation here. For a continuation to take place, the price might go above the level of 12585. But the current market pattern, remember, is a consolidation that is taking place somewhere near the level of 12069, the most important key level for the dollar-yen throughout 2016. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please give us the thumbs down. All right. If you love it, feel free to share your Google Plus on Twitter and also on Facebook. If you love our video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned because we will be recording more video. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to trade FS or foreign exchange in 2016 dollar-yen currency pair. Speak to you soon.